Hi, I'm Cindy Johnson. I work in Central Florida at an elementary school. I'm currently teaching 5th grade, previously taught 3rd grade, and about 4 years ago I started working with Dr. Debbie Mitchell in GeoMotion, and in 3rd grade I started teaching multiplication. I have 3 ways of teaching multiplication using the GeoMotion methods, and I'm going to introduce them to you now. Another way of teaching multiplication in the classroom is using the GeoMat. Now remember that when you are using the GeoMat or any Geo products, you need to still reinforce the ones place value, the tens place value, and now we can even go to the hundreds and the thousands place value. And if you are going to go that high, your right foot is going to be your ones place value, your left foot is going to be the tens place value, your right hand is the hundreds, and then you have the thousands with your left hand. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to move on the GeoMat counting by fours. And this is really good for students that have that little extra energy and they can get it out in the classroom and you're still reinforcing multiplication, and it just brings fun into the classroom. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the GeoMat to count by fours. You're going to use your right foot on the 4, and you're going to say 4, 8, 12. Now see, I brought in the left foot into the tens place value. So 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Now I'm going to have to move a little bit because now it's 32. I want to make sure I have the left foot on the tens place value, which would be the 3. So it's 32, 36, and then 40, 44, and 48. This allows the student to get up and move around the classroom, reinforcing multiplication. And when you do have hundreds, they're actually getting on the floor and getting that extra exercise using the GeoMat and reinforcing multiplication in the classroom. This is the GeoDesk mat. I use it to teach multiplication. And what I do is I use my right hand as the ones place value and my left hand as the tens place value. So for example, if I was going to count by fours, the student would put the mat down in front of them, and we would start with the right hand being the one place value, and we would use the jingle, and it would be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. And that way it teaches the students ones place value and tens place value with the using the hands and singing the song. So it makes it easier for them to learn to count by fours. And that's using the GeoDesk mat. Another method of teaching multiplication is the hand method. You want to be able to teach all students multiplication no matter what their learning style is. So we use the hand method, and the way we do that is if I'm going to multiply by fours, I am the 4, and if you say 4 times 1, you want to make sure that it's 4 times 1 because there is one group of 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So when you're using the jingles, you'll say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. The 4s are really great. That way, this is the 11 and this is the 12. That way the students are able to tell if it's 4 times 5, they will have 5 fingers up. So 4 times 5 would be 20. And when they get to the 5, they'll know that 4 times 5 is 20. So let's try it with the 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. We've counted by 3s. And that's using the hand method.